Nikita Hall was injured in a truck accident on December 17, 2025, in Wilbarger County, Texas. The crash happened around 9:00 a.m. on U.S. Highway 283 at the intersection with Farm to Market 433. Authorities say Hall, age 51, was driving a Mitsubishi Outlander northwest when a westbound Peterbilt 18-wheeler entered the intersection. The truck reportedly failed to yield at a stop sign, leading to a collision with Hall's vehicle. Hall sustained serious injuries. The investigation into the accident is ongoing.